Why not invest in something that provides an 8% steady return backed by real estate?
Hey, it's Kevin Amalish, Pine Financial Group. We work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on YouTube. Please help us build a community. We're trying to help more real estate investors just like you. Hit that subscribe button now. I have a fantastic guest with me today, Brandon McKnight. I'm so excited to finally get you on these videos.
Yeah.
Brandon's helping us a lot with the investor relations side, bringing in the capital to help us operate the company. We're helping a lot of passive investors out right now with the public fund.
Yep.
So you're talking to a lot of investors, you're helping them out, getting that 8% return. Tell me, what are some of the benefits of investing in PFG Fund 5?
Well, I think it's a couple things. So starting with really, it's just a stable investment, right? The stock market's been up and down the last couple months. So, I talked to a lot of investors and their portfolio is all over the place. Why not invest in something that provides an 8% steady return backed by real estate? So I think that's probably the single biggest benefit. It also provides an opportunity for a passive income for a lot of people. And it's also another great way to kind of diversify your portfolio, be invested in something that's a little bit different than your traditional investments, which could be stocks, bonds, whatever it is. And it's a great way to play in real estate without needing to deal with the hassle of a rental property or whatever else it is, right?
We get a lot of feedback about lockup periods and that kind of thing. But
Yeah.
how liquid is this investment? Can I get my money back?
Yeah, I was on a call just as recently as today with somebody who said, hey, I just want to make sure if I put money into the fund, I'm not required to keep it in there for a certain amount of time. And I told him, the best part of this investment, or one of the best parts, is the fact that all you have to do is give us a 90-day notice that you want to withdraw the funds, but there is no lockup period. We're not going to say that you have to keep the money with us for a year or whatever else. And, a lot of people love that. It's a great way to store your money and still have access to it.
Have we ever actually taken 90 days?
No, actually, on average, we're probably closer to 30 to 45, if not earlier than that.
Faster than that.
Yeah.
We really want to get that money back to you if you want it back. And the good thing is the fund is large enough now, Brandon, that we have loans going in and out every single month.
Absolutely.
That's what creates the liquidity for them.
For sure. I always tell people it starts with really how the fund works, right? We're taking money from individuals like yourself, and then we're turning around and loaning that back out. So we're constantly investing in new deals. The benefit of that is that your money is diversified across a bunch of different loans, and those loans are coming due every 9 months. So a lot of people that I talk to like the fact that it's not invested in a loan that's a 30-year loan or a 12-month loan. This money is constantly moving, and it's a way to be diversified.
Yeah, so we're not getting caught in any market fluctuations.
Correct.
Because we're not. Right, that's great. So a couple questions before we wrap this up. Minimum investment amount, do I have to be accredited or non-accredited? Tell me about those two.
Great question. So we get that all the time. Minimum investment amount is $10,000. You do not have to be accredited. So that opens this up to a lot wider perspective of audience, and it opens the door for other people to invest. And that's actually been a big benefit this year that we've done. We lowered it from 25 to 10 and given additional people the opportunity to invest with us.
Yeah, so disclaimer, it's a Reg A.
Correct.
It's gone through the SEC process.
We're audited twice a year.
We're audited, so you have all of that. So a lot of these investments you'll never hear about because you have to know the people that are putting it out, that are offering it. But because it's a public fund, we're able to tell you we're going to promise you an 8% return, right?
Yep, that's correct.
All right, with that, if you want more information, you check it out at pinefinancialgroup.com. Up at the top, it's like the banner at the top. Click on that, and you can download the information brochure. So again, check it out, pinefinancialgroup.com.